I like you. You don't like me. Shit.
I hated her so much.
Sexy, sexy, sexy. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Bitchy, bitchy, bitchy.
Dismiss the steal your girl.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Holy shit!
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Oops, sorry.
Roses are gay, violets are gay, poems are gay. This is so gay.
Nope.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Could you be my love, my love? And could you be my love, my love? I'll give you a taste of my love.
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
No, you are not my son. I'm not your father.
You don't say.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my God. There. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion?
Rescued me from actual death, so thanks a lot.
You know how you can thank me?